Hello friends, welcome in online class. Today we are going to discuss the lesson from class 10th Science and Technology part 2, and the name of lesson is Heredity and Evolution. Students, this is the second video of this lesson. I am Rathod Narendra Manik Rao welcoming you in a online class. Today we are going to discuss the important process that takes place in our body, that is protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is the process by which required amount and type of protein is synthesized by our body, and that protein is necessary for the proper growth of our body. Here we are going to learn about the central dogma. Then what is central dogma? The process of protein synthesis by DNA with the help of RNA is called central dogma. Now we are going to start the first step of the process of protein synthesis, that is transcription. Transcription is the process in which part of nucleotide sequence of DNA is copied into a complementary sequence of RNA. Process of transcription takes place in the cell. In the nucleus, DNA is present, and on the DNA, nucleotides are present in the sequence like A, T, G, C and U. This is the proper sequence of nucleotide present on the strand of DNA. During the process of transcription, the two strands of DNA which are bounded with hydrogen bond get separated. After unwinding, one strand of DNA is used in a transcription. From the two strands of DNA, only one strand is take part in the process of transcription. According to the sequence present on one strand of the complementary nucleotide are added one by one. Here, during the adding the nucleotide one by one change takes place here, and that change is nucleotide A is paired with a U instead of T. Like this, one nucleotide added and tRNA is synthesized. I repeat, here one change, that A is paired with U instead of T, and like this one nucleotide added and RNA is synthesized. The process of formation of mRNA according to the sequence that is present on DNA strand takes place inside the nucleus. Here, the process of transcription is shown. That picture is available in our textbook. Please observe carefully. Two strands of DNA which get separated and unwinded here, and for unwinding the strands the enzyme is required, and the name of that enzyme is RNA polymerase. So what we say, for unwinding the DNA the enzyme is required, and that name of enzyme is RNA polymerase. From the two strand DNA, only one strand takes part in the formation of mRNA, and the sequence of nucleotide and pairing during the formation of mRNA, A is paired with a U, not with a T. this is the change takes place here. According to the nucleotide present on one strand is complementary nucleotide get added and mRNA is formed, and this is called transcription. Now we are going to learn about the translation. Translation is the process that takes place in the information passed from DNA as mRNA and turned into a series of amino acids bound together with peptide bond. This process takes place in a cytoplasm. Means the process of translation takes place in a cytoplasm. On mRNA there is a nucleotide sequence. This group of nucleotides are in a 3 set of nucleotides, and this 3 set of nucleotide is called triplet codon. On mRNA there is a message in the form of triplet codon. Each triplet codon has code for amino acid, and for formation of one amino acid required 3 nucleotide sequence. Here we are going to study the information of scientist named Hargovinda. He contribute in the discovery of triplet codon. For this, Dr. Hargovinda awarded with a Nobel Prize in 1968 with other for finding 20 amino acids. Now we are going to discuss about the translocation. The process translocation takes place in a cytoplasm. When mRNA is formed in a nucleus, it comes out from nucleus and enter into cytoplasm of the cell. On the mRNA, there are thousands of triplet codon are located, and as per the message on mRNA, the amino acids that brings by tRNA bring the amino acid as per sequence of amino acid present on mRNA, and tRNA has anticodon having the complementary sequence on mRNA, and the amino acid brought in by tRNA are bounded by peptide bond with the help of ribosomal RNA, and during this process ribosome keeps moving from one end of mRNA to next with the distance of one triplet codon. The movement of ribosome from one end of mRNA to other with the distance of one anticodon is called as translocation. Such many chains comes together to form a complete protein, and this protein control various function of our body. Here the process of translocation is shown. Now we are going to discuss about the mutation. Then what is mutation? In mutation, we have to see variation or sudden change in characters or genes is called mutation. And in mutation, main sequence of nucleotide is replaced. And due to this, organisms show some changes in the characters. And these mutations are of two types, that are minor mutation and major mutation. Minor mutation is a general, it do not make any harm. Major mutation show considerable changes. Due to these genetic disorders are takes place. The genetic disorders which are takes place because of major sequence, some genetic diseases are occurred like sickle cell anemia and night blindness. What happened here? by the picture shown here how the mutation is takes place, how the nucleotides are replaces. Here we may stop. Okay friends, thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.